What if sound traveled at the speed of light? Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the world no longer carries the familiar delay between what you see and what you hear. The crack of thunder that used to rumble seconds after a lightning bolt now explodes in your ears the instant the sky lights up. Fireworks lose their dramatic pause. Gunshots, explosions, voices, even the softest whisper, everything reaches you at the exact moment it happens. At first, this might sound like a superpower, a small tweak that makes life more synchronized, cleaner, easier. But soon, people start to realize that the world has changed in ways no one could have prepared for. On the first day, newscasters excitedly explain the shift. Musicians are thrilled. Concerts now feel sharper, as though every note pierces directly into the soul. Sports fans cheer louder because the roar of the crowd now moves like light itself, creating a wave of energy that feels electric. Couples laugh because there's no longer any lag in phone calls or echoes in tunnels. The world feels perfectly timed, as though humanity has finally synced with the universe. But the harmony doesn't last. Sound is not just entertainment, it's information, it's survival. And when sound becomes instantaneous, the rules of life itself bend in terrifying ways. Normally, sound takes time to travel, giving warning of danger, distance, or approach. A collapsing building used to give you seconds to react as its groans and cracks traveled through the air. Now, the moment it fractures, the deafening roar hits you instantly. There's no gap, no chance to move. Car crashes, avalanches, even the breaking of a glass in your kitchen all happen with no buffer, no anticipation. The world becomes painfully loud, brutally immediate. Animals are the first to show signs of distress. Birds abandon cities, their songs now piercing like lasers. Dogs whimper and howl, unable to adjust to the barrage of noise. Whales, whose communication relies on sound waves traveling vast distances, fall silent. Ocean researchers discover something terrifying. The synchronized sound waves of marine life begin to collapse into chaos, ecosystems unraveling at astonishing speed. Then comes the true horror. Governments notice that with sound moving at light speed, certain technologies behave in unexpected ways. Communication systems designed to account for sound delays begin to malfunction. Radar, sonar, and even medical devices glitch. But the most chilling discovery is made accidentally. Scientists conducting experiments on deep space transmissions realize that with instantaneous sound, Earth is now projecting its voice into the universe in real time, far louder, far clearer than ever before. Every broadcast, every explosion, every scream is sent outward like a beacon. Humanity has effectively turned the entire planet into a speaker shouting into the void. Panic spreads as conspiracy theories ignite online. Some claim the change is natural, a shift in the laws of physics. Others whisper about experiments gone wrong in secret labs, tampering with quantum mechanics. And then a new fear takes root. What if someone or something made this happen deliberately? What if the sudden speed of sound is not a gift, but a lure? A trap to make Earth's presence impossible to ignore? The twist comes late one night when astronomers monitoring radio telescopes pick up a signal. It is not random static, it is a perfect echo of Earth's own sounds, our languages, our music, our laughter, but distorted, compressed, and bounced back faster than light should allow. The signal is impossible. It suggests someone heard us, responded, and bent the rules of reality to ensure we would hear them immediately. The world realizes with dread that we are not alone, and worse, whoever is listening doesn't want us to wait. From that moment, silence becomes the most precious resource. People begin to whisper less, move quietly, and even shut off machines, hoping to muffle Earth's deafening voice. But it's too late. The message has already been sent. The synchronization of sound and light is not just a change in physics, it is the sound of someone knocking on the door of our fragile world. And the terrifying question remains, what happens when they decide to step inside?